As you're organizing your media, you might come across photos that have the wrong date attached to them. Often this happens with scanned family photos and documents that you bring in that weren't captured with a camera, or maybe the date on the camera was set incorrectly. Luckily, Mylio Photos makes this really easy to correct. You'll notice that this picture says it was captured on January of 2023. Obviously, this is probably incorrect, so what we want to do is change this to a date closer to when this actually happened. You have the option here to click on the ellipses and see several different date options in Mylio Photos so you can get closer to the date that this was captured. You can enter a specific timestamp if you know it, or you can enter a day, a month and a year, a season, a decade, and so forth. If you don't know what the date is for that particular image, you have no idea, and it's something you need to research, you can always mark it as undated as well. For this image, we know that it was captured in 1909, so what I'm going to do is click into 1909, and I'm just going to start scrolling. And we're going to get down here to the bottom, and it's not there. So instead, I'm going to just type in 1909 and hit return on my keyboard, and now that's been assigned the year 1909. Now when I go over to my calendar view, and double click on the calendar view and scroll back up to 1909, this image is going to be listed where it belongs. Fixing dates in Mylio Photos is very simple. Whether you know when the exact date and time was or something reasonably close, you can go ahead and get that entered in Mylio Photos so it shows up in the right place.